Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and I hope you have a wonderful day today. Thank you and much appreciate for those who show your love with like and subscribe from my last couple video to continue sharing my Hermes Collection Timeline with more tips and tricks. In today's video, I will review more eye candy. I was so lucky to have this offer after getting a Picoton and a mini constant in my first 2 months of Hermes journey. So let's go straight to review this beautiful Quota, my first Quota. Then story time with more tips and tricks to follow. And from the look of this box, what can it be? So, as usual, it comes with care information booklet. And at the time that I got this bag offer, Hermes still giving out a raincoat to protect the bag in the rain, though I have never got to use it. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Stunning, right? So this is Kelly 25 in Cellier style with gold hardware, Epsom leather, and in the color of root garnet, sort of like burgundy color. Such a gorgeous bag. And it happened to be my first Quota. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. So with the combination of Cellier and Epsom leather, it is a bit stiff to get in and out of the bag. And for that reason, I need 2 hands. I still prefer the retinue or reformed style. The embossed stamp, and there is another Hermes stamp here. Inside, the same thing, one main compartment with small fun pocket and a zip back pocket. And that's how I like to wear or use my bag. And quickly show the clochette. And the shoulder strap. I have a stamp somewhere. Here's a stamp. Okay, one last look at this gorgeous bag before I take away or we put it aside. Remember from my last video, I say a Quota with a surprise. Not another Quota, right? Nah, not possible. It is a coveted bag with a neutral color. So let's review this surprise. It comes in this small box. So I was so shocked on that day because keep in mind that was I believe the end of pandemic period, and Hermes was in high demand, so just it was difficult to get offer one bag, but two at the same time. Incredible lucky me on that day. Okay, so it comes in this. I think you can tell from this dust bag. Ready? Ta-da! It is a mini Evelyn or Evelyn TPM size 16 in Trent color. And this is the front, this is the back of the bag, and this is the front of the bag, and that's how you open and close with snap button. And with gold hardware, with a woolly non-adjustable shoulder strap. Let me just hook it up. Oh, the Hermes stamp here. It is a great bag. Well, it worked well for me. I normally take it to travel with me, since it is a crossbody bag, and it's light, compact, and important that it fit most of my essential. So I did got the 7RP insert for this because it is in a light color, and another reason I want to get the insert is because if you put your stuff in here, I guess you can see the inside stuff through this porphyrit hole. So for that reason, do you like it? The eye candy so far? Okay, now into pre-spend ratio for this two bag and story time. So I scheduled for an appointment to come into store for the Oasis sandal for the upcoming summer at the time, and also just to browse in store since inventory is different from store versus online. Prior to the appointment, my SA confirmed that Oasis sandal was available in my size and were reserved for me. Also, sort of check what bag I like to add to my wish list. I say a Kelly 25 or a 28 in neutral color, and that was it. In store, I picked up a pair of jelly sandal, a pair of espadrille sandal. My SA also showed me some jewelry, and I got a pair of Chandon earring in 18 karat rose gold. I got the other one over here. Okay, and when it's time to check out, my SA said, follow me, I have something to show you. We went into a private room, and there are two boxes on the table. He then said, I have this in red, and in my mind I was like, no red, neutral please. I guess at that point in my life. I'm so done with popping color. When I was younger, I loved popping color. I collected couple pieces in, I guess, bright yellow, blue, from other brands. So at that point in my life, I like to go back to neutral color. Anyway, so I was about to decline without even take a look of the bag. Just when I was about to decline, my SA opened and pulled out this one, and I was, wow, that color. And I was like, thank you. And I was so excited about this bag, I totally forgot about the other box on the table. And my essay continue with, I think you will like this as well. And he opened the box and the Evelyn. I said, really? I can have both? And he said, why not? I was like, okay, thank you so much. So I consider that day was my luckiest day. Now go back to pre-spend ratio. So if you consider this one as pre-spend, then my pre-spend ratio for this quota is 0.46 to 1. And if you exclude out this bag, then my pre-spend ratio is 0.28 to 1. So up to this point, do you believe when I say Hermes, it's not about pre-spend, but beyond that, your relationship to your SA, your genuine love for the brand. But from my observations, your non-quota is counted as pre-spend because throughout my journey, every time at the checkout, my SA split into 2 receipts, one just for the quota and the other one is for the rest of other stuff. If you experience the same thing, let me know in the comment, or let the community know in the comment, because I think it is important piece. It's a valuable piece of information for those who start on their journey. And you know, if sometimes you want the non-quota, but you have to hold on to it because you think that if you got a non-quota, then your chance of getting the quota back will be delayed due to you getting the non-quota. Now, I just want to put out a disclaimer again. What I am about to share are my opinions from my own experience along the way that I learned. By doing all these will not guarantee of anything. A do and a don't. So do come into store here and there to check out for stuff. Surprise offer might be presented to you there if the timing is right. Don't buy many same item in same color. So what happened to me was I got this jelly sandal. It was a great price point for pre-spend, so I thought of getting the same color but in different sizes for gift. Though my SA advised not to, it won't look good for my profile. I'm guessing as red flag to resell those. So with that do and don't, it concludes today's video. more tips and tricks to come, so stay tuned for that. My next addition to my Hermes collection was quite an excitement or quite an experience, and it happened to be in Paris. So stay tuned for that story. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy this, let me know by like and subscribe, or if any question, let me know in the comment below. Until next time, keep shining.